order, asking questions. Forming questions in English can be confusing. Don't worry, I'm going to teach you a simple formula that works for asking questions in almost all the verb tenses. This formula is called QUASM. Question word, auxiliary verb, subject, main verb. Look how QUASM works for forming questions in these verb tenses. Simple present questions. Question word, auxiliary verb, subject, main verb. Where do you work? What does Martha think about the project? How do you like your new apartment? How many kids does Bob have? Simple past questions. How did they learn English so fast? When did you get home from work yesterday? What did the manager think about your idea? Where did you buy that t-shirt? Present continuous questions. What are you doing at the moment? Why is he ignoring me? What time are we meeting up for dinner? Who is she dating now? Past continuous questions. Who were you talking to on the phone? What was Jim doing when you called? Why were the children eating candy before dinner? How was he feeling after the surgery? Present perfect questions. How much money have you spent on clothes this month? How long has your teacher worked at this school? What have they been doing all day? How long has the client been waiting for their order? Future questions. Who will you invite to the party? What will your parents think about your plan? When are you going to clean your room? Why is she going to quit her job? Modal questions. What would you do if you had $1 million? How could we improve our English? Where should I go on my next vacation? Exceptions. Yes or no questions do not use a question word, but they still follow ASM, auxiliary verb, subject, main verb. Do you like bananas? Did you enjoy the movie? Are you studying English? Were you sleeping when I called you last night? Have you finished your homework? Will you call me when you get home? Are you going to accept the job offer? Should we take the early morning flight? Questions with the main verb be also don't follow the pattern. Are you thirsty? Is she a teacher? Were your parents angry when you failed the test? Was her ex-boyfriend a basketball player?